Here you see a simple PLA vase mode print printed on a 1mm nozzle with a 0.35 layer height and a 1.5mm layer width. Keep in mind that the following clips and prints are not made to impress you in any way, but just to show you the results that you can easily expect out of the box. The great thing about these print settings is that you can create vase mode prints that are watertight, which is really nice for vases and other things. In the next clip you see me printing something with a 0.4mm nozzle. The special thing here is that I colored my pellets with brown countercolors, but the issue with the method I used is that it creates a big mess because the powder spots everywhere. It does still work, but like I said, it creates a mess, which is why I use nowadays other coloring methods that don't create such a mess. In this clip I am printing with transparent PLA pellets, also with a 1mm nozzle and a printing speed that is a little bit faster to test the flow rate capabilities of my extruder. In my videos I very often showed this vase that you see right now printing here, but no one saw the actual printing footage yet. This is the frame from an organizer shelf that I showed in my video and later on spray painted with black matte color.